Okay, so we are working on a first generation Toyota Tacomer. This is the rock slider that I built for this Toyota. And as you can see, we're mocking it up right now. This is how it looks like. It's not even clamped on. I just slopped it on. So it's not even really mocked up, but slopped on. So this is the owner, Tacomer. And so, yeah, we're just mocking it on. And then after that, I'm gonna clamp it on, and then I'm gonna tack it on, and then I'm gonna weld it on. Okay, so we got her clamped up. Show you how she looks like underneath. Basically, she's clamped up there. She's clamped up there. And basically, she's ready to be tacked on. This is how she looks like. You can see she does not protrude out too far from the tire. Okay, so tack her up, and then we'll move to the other side. So this side is welded on. Show you how it looks like. That's how the front looks. Here as well, and then so on down. So then show you the other side. I've just clamped this side on right here. You can see it's all clamped on, and once it's welded, imagine it without the clamps. All right, so this is Tacomer. He is the owner of this truck right here. So we have just finished installing the rock sliders onto his truck. And so what we're doing is we are doing a maiden test on the strength and integrity of the rock sliders. So here we are imitating a flat tire in the front here. So the object of the game here is for him to lift the truck up using a high lift jack. This is a hydraulic jack, but you can do so with the high lift jack. It's going to be set at the outside rail here, and that's where the jack here is set to. He's going to pump this jack up until the tire here moves freely so that he can remove the tire. And at the same time, the strength of the rock slider here should be should hold the weight of the truck to the point where he can open the door here on this side. So let's say he takes his girlfriend off-roading with him. His girlfriend can come out of the door here and boss him around while he fixes his car. So that's what he's doing. Okay, Tacomer, go for it. Yeah, do it in a controlled fashion. Okay. All right. So you can see his front tire is moving up. Oh, it's already off the ground. Holy smoke. Okay, now open your door. Okay, how many finger space do you have till you get to the rail? Oh, that's plenty of finger space. That's 3, huh? Yeah. How about the rear door? Yeah, that's plenty of finger space. Okay, so his girlfriend can come out and boss him while he does his stuff here when he goes off-roading. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.
家搞起包，古堡底个要起着了，是内闹去摸一绕色家毛闹，古鸟一人，古我俩起了，我家起胸古路线，找起刀，个早开路，天不早靠路了，个早开路鸟不着线。家毛闹，其实里呀大佬，鸟一人，古鸟谁知道？古鸟这头，我古到不高，古不高，路瓦最小，心内闹，就莫。